Hi, welcome back to Canadian Law Tutor. Thank you very much for supporting our channel, sharing our videos, and asking us questions. I'm Gul Virk, also known as Gul Virk. I'm a lawyer from Canada and I run a program called Canadian Law Tutor, in which we teach internationally trained lawyers and licensing process candidates across Canada to launch their legal career successfully. We also support lawyers in the professional development programs to support in the successful legal practice. So there are a variety of courses. You can check our website, canadianlawtutor.com, to learn more about us. Our source of inspiration is everyone who comes to our channel by subscribing it, liking it, and sharing it. Our biggest supporters are the ones who give us ideas, ask us questions, and inspire us to do more. So in today's video, I would like to share my knowledge and inform my audience about NCA exam process. When you come to Canada as a professional lawyer, or you're planning to come to Canada as a professional lawyer, you are required to write national board exams called NCA, National Committee of Accreditation. There are some confusion among international lawyers about the vocabulary of this website. Sometimes they find it hard to navigate. They do not understand the particular language, how to write the application, and what are the key points to have a successful application. When you file an application, NCA usually take around 2 months depending upon their caseload to assess your application. What should be included in the application? How your application can be done as per the Canadian standards. How you would write a Canadian resume. How would you share your experience in the field of law? When you file your application for NCA, the number one step is you need to sit back and relax. Whenever you start your NCA application, the first thing you learn that they require you to send all the transcripts after your grade 12. What is grade 12? In some countries it's called +2. It's your higher secondary education. And after this education, you start your graduate studies. Some people do 5-year programs, 3-year programs, couple of 3 years program, engineering, then they do law. Somebody is doing company secretary, then they come to law. So there are a variety of combination possible for a professional who is also a lawyer. For this reason, the NCA requirement is to send transcripts from all the educational institutions from your grade 12 onwards. It can be your BA degree, BCom degree, BA LLB, engineering, or any other degree. Some people have done engineering, law, and MBA. So they are sending transcripts from 3 different institutes. So the first thing I would like to clarify that after grade 12, whatever your professional education is, whatever your academic achievements are, all those transcripts are required to be sent to NCA directly from your institution. So, and the process is called sending the transcripts to NCA. I hope you understand a little bit more comfortably now. Are you required to send your awards, some kind of fun trainings? For example, you have taken a photography course or a makeup course or, any other small course in your hobbies. So you have to see whether it is certified by an institute and it can be verified by the transcript, then you should add. But somehow you have done, a mentorship program with somebody and they do not issue the transcripts or anything. You can mention this in your letter to NCA that this is what I have done, but transcripts are not available for these small courses. This is my main education for which I have the courses. I have done all these courses. So this is what we need to send. So we need to send everything from grade 12 onwards or +2 onwards to NCA. It can be your 3 degrees, 2 degrees, or if you have done 5-year program for LLB, that is many South Asian countries do that. So then you only need to send one institution's transcript. What is transcript? Transcript is simply your official copies of your mark sheet and your degree sent by the institution, verified by them, and directly sent to the NCA by them. You need to contact your institution for that and it is different than the WES assessment, so which you do for immigration process. As I've mentioned it in my another video in the last year, that WES and NCA assessments are two different things. WES is your professional assessment and NCA is your academic assessment. You need to start these process both independently. One is your academic journey, another is your journey for your professional career. One is your academic journey and another is your immigration process. I'm an immigration lawyer as well. I do deal with immigration application. If you ever need help, you can reach out to us and we would provide you an assessment and give you a career path as well as your immigration path altogether. Now let's talk about another component. Sometimes people find it hard to understand their CV, how to represent themselves. So first of all, you can list all your academic achievements, your awards, your volunteering experience. It's not going to significantly impact on your assessment, in my opinion, but it is important to notify NCA whatever your journey has been. Have you done an alternative dispute resolution, for example, mediation or negotiation procedures or something like that? It should also be included in the NCA application. So when you file the application step by step, the next step would be uploading your document. In that document, you can write a cover letter, which is a very, very Canadian thing. Whenever we try to send something, it's more like your paper interview. You explain yourself. You have a unique journey. So that journey should be communicated to the other person, because so that they don't have the question for you and they do understand it. So represent your application properly. You should be writing a proper cover letter as well, along with your resume, which would list your academic, your professional, and your volunteering experience, whatever you have. Volunteering experience is very important. Have you done any legal aid clinics? Have you worked with an NGO, or you have provided free legal aid to people? So how your experience you've been building during the process, that's all very important, and it should be part of your CV. And all your achievements should be listed on your cover letter. We do draft professional cover letters, exemption letters, abridgment letters, etc. for your career path. Canadian Law Tutor provides hands-on training as well as support from the day of your NCA application to launch your career in Canada as a lawyer. Are you looking to be called to the bar in Canada, in Nova Scotia, Saskatchewan, or Atlantic provinces? Are you coming to Alberta? Are you coming to British Columbia? Or are you going to Ontario? So Canadian Law Tutor is a Canada-wide platform to provide you step 1 NCA application, NCA resources. You can watch our videos on the channel for master classes as well as subject-specific classes for NCAs, where we are breaking down the subjects to make you understand how can you support yourself in the process. We also teach CPLED pre-prep program, where a lawyer from international legal background is going to sign up for CPLED program, and they want an articling student ready program. You can join those classes, which are available in one-on-one as well as group classes. We would be supporting you, teaching you, providing you hands-on training. And we also teach a new program called Legal Research in Canada. Legal research and legal writing. It is crucial for any lawyer coming to Canada. We would be providing details in the next video. What does this new course means for everyone else, whether you're writing it this year or you're planning to write it next year, what to expect, how to prepare. Are you ready for your NCA application? Do you still have a question? So you know how to send transcripts now, how many transcripts you're required to send, how to write your cover letter, what to include in the cover letter, and what to include in your professional resume. If you need the resources to start studying on your own, if you're looking for some free resources, you can contact us. You can check our social media platform, Canadian Law Tutor, to get free information so that you can successfully start studying for your exams. If you still have any question about the NCA process, licensing process, or launching your legal practice in Canada, or a specific subject matter question, or you're looking for immigration advice, you can contact us and we will schedule a call for you so that we can advise you further. I hope I have answered the question. relating to NCA application process, and it will help you to prepare your own application. If you still need help, you can take our professional services available around the world to complete your NCA as well as licensing process. So please keep motivating us, asking us questions. At Canadian Law Tutor, we are thankful for your support in the new year, and we hope to provide you more information and learning opportunities. Thank you very much.